What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for tuning in. If you don't know me already, I'm Mateo. I drive the 2002 Volkswagen Jetta. My partner Shane, he drives the Lancer. So today we got a fun video. I will be installing UnderGlow on the Jetta. So if you guys seen past videos on the YouTube channel like last year, the car does have UnderGlow on it right now. But basically I had like a cheap Amazon kit for like, I think it was like 30-40 bucks. And basically what happened is I drive the car through winter and stuff, so I found that it doesn't last that long. Like the longest I had it for was 1.5 years, and then that kit failed on me, and I bought another kit for the same price, like 30-40 bucks, and that only lasted about probably about, I think, around 8 months. So I went ahead and bought a really nice kit from LEDGLOW. It's the Slimline kit. I'll talk more about it later on in the video. But I basically want to buy like a really nice high quality UnderGlow, and it comes with all these cool modes that I wanted to get. So here is the Jetta. It's super dirty, but basically I got the car painted recently. Not the whole thing, but most of it got painted. So it's just basically been curing in the garage for about 2 weeks, so that's why it's so dirty. But in the meantime, while it's curing, I'm going to be installing things. So like this UnderGlow. So let's get to the UnderGlow. Alright guys, so here is the UnderGlow. It comes with these really nice sturdy tubes, which is one of the main reasons why I got this kit. And I really like the connections that it comes with. Basically comes with, that's the connection there. Basically what we're going to do, we're going to use liquid tape and wrap them all the way around, just to kind of seal it up and make it a bit more waterproof. Alright guys, so we got the whole kit hooked up. It's on all the ends of the car. Now we're working on getting the control box into the interior. So I'll let you know exactly what we do after I get it all hooked up. Alright guys, so it's been a couple days now. The UnderGlow is all hooked up and I tested it out and it's working perfectly. So I want to show you exactly where I have everything mounted. So we'll start off here. So basically it's hooked up to the battery. I didn't go with the cigarette lighter because I have the interior lights hooked up to the cigarette lighter, so now I have the UnderGlow hooked up to the battery. So basically I have the control box here. We mounted it just down here because I wanted it inside the car, because this basically is the main brain of the system, and a bunch of videos had it in the engine bay, and I didn't really want to mount it in the engine bay just so water or debris gets to it, so I really wanted it inside. So actually what we did, we bought 2 extension wires from LEDGLOW along with the kit, and basically ran the extension into the engine bay. And my dad's really good at this stuff, so he cut the extension, joined extra wire, ran it through, and now it's into the interior. I really like it in the interior also because if the remote ever stops working, I have access to the control box to turn off the lights and change the color and stuff if the remote ever stops working. Now guys, I'm going to go ahead and show you where the strips are mounted onto the car, so let's get to that. Alright guys, here we are underneath the car on the side. We just have the strip, the tube basically hidden just on the other side of the pinch weld. And basically it's in a good spot where you can access the jacking points so the jack won't touch the tube. So I really like this spot for the sides. And here we are underneath the front end. Basically we have the tube just underneath the front skirt to hide it nicely, so you don't see any lights showing through. Now here we are in the back. It is hard to see, but the tube is actually on the rear axle. We were trying to get it a little bit closer to the back here, but as you see right here, it drops down too low and you see the strips, and that's one of my pet peeve. I don't like seeing the LED tube when it's on, so it's nicely hidden away in the back axle there. You still see it when you're driving, and we tried tucking it behind this rear skirt here, but it's too close to the exhaust because you don't want the wires to be close to heat. Alright guys, so now for the best part, the cinematics, so let's get to it. Alright guys, so here is the car. I hope you guys love it as much as I do. So I know the steelies don't look good, but don't worry, the wheels are coming. This car is turning out amazing. So here is the remote right here. Basically there are so many different colors you can go through. There's like rainbow again. The red looks freaking cool because most of the car is red, black and red accents. So the red, I really like the red too. What else we got? Pink, purple, darker purple. Oh, that looks good there. And there's a whole bunch of modes that it can go through. There's like all these like switching colors, chasing, flashing. There's a whole bunch of stuff. I really love this kit. It's so cool to play around with. But anyways guys, I'm gonna wrap up the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys love the UnderGlow. I hope this video was helpful for you guys installing your UnderGlow. I hope you guys love it, and please leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned guys. Me and Shane post videos every Friday at 4 p.m. So always remember guys, stay tuned and enjoy the rides.